Today we're going to be opening and making these do-it-yourself cookies and cupcakes. These cupcakes are from Vanillachic. Shout out to Ninong Oogie and Ninang Lala for giving these cookies and cupcakes. We really appreciate it. But before we go any further, I would like to introduce our guest, Chloe.
Hi.
So let's get into it.
It's okay. Oh, it's got, yeah.
Ooh, la la la. Wait, we need to show. We need to show them. Ta-da! Okay, so first of all, it came with this like manual, and it shows what the the stuff inside the box are, the instructions, and there's some photos of some examples. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so first of all, we have the chocolate. We have the cupcakes that we're going to be decorating. 2 chocolate, 2 vanilla. You can grab some too, Chloe. And then we have some stuff to decorate it with. So we've got some marshmallows, some pretzel sticks, some sprinkles.
These are the icing bags. They come in different colors. There's green, white, yellow, red, and brown. There's decorations where the cupcakes and the red thing.
Yeah, so there are sprinkles to decorate the cookies and cupcakes. M&Ms. We've got little mini marshmallows and the pretzel sticks.
Candy.
And we've got some candy canes to decorate it with. Like in here in the manual, as you can see in this cupcake, they use the candy canes to make reindeer ears. So, yeah. And then over there, what else is in there? There's the gingerbread cookies.
And
That's the piping bag. So, like, if you want to make a special design, like with when you're decorating it, you put the icing in there, because you can see at the tip, there's like a sort of design spiky thing, which will make the cream go out as a different pattern. So I'm going to be making a snowman cupcake with the white icing, of course, because all snowmans are white. And then I'm also going to use the chocolate cupcake.
I'm going to be making Santa's hat with the red icing and the white icing and the chocolate cupcake. How about you, Jamila?
I'm going to be making the Christmas tree with the green frosting and the vanilla cupcake.
Okay, so in this manual, it shows us how to hold a piping bag as well. So it says, okay, you guys can also demonstrate for the camera. So you grab a piping bag, and it says you need to hold it from the top, so like where all the icing is.
Squeeze it down to the bottom
And
of
then
the icing.
like this. Hold it,
Like a
and then
pencil.
like a pencil sort of, and then you do it like that.
I
Do your
never
design.
hold
Yeah.
it so like this.
Okay, so yeah. Do you want to cut the tips?
No.
Oh, okay. Because you can.
I will say. After we get the cupcake. Okay.
So let's get the cupcakes that we want.
Can I just rip the plastic?
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I need
Just
to
use the
Scissors.
scissors. What?
Chloe, you can use the scissors not to cut your one.
I'm gonna cut
The red one? Don't cut it all the way from the
Yeah,
root,
because you just
then-
want the root to be off so you can actually make a spot of it, right?
Yeah. So I'm gonna mix them up. So I'm gonna use this.
Oh no. What if I do a mistake?
It's okay.
I'm gonna make the swirl smooth. I don't know.
I'm too scared. What if I make a mistake? So I'm gonna make the snowman in here. Hold on. This snowman over here in the manual. I'm gonna try copy
Can I
it.
start?
Yeah, just go ahead. It's okay.
It's okay.
You just okay. So we have to hold it in the root. Why are we whispering now?
I don't know.
Okay. Now I'm just gonna swirl.
Okay, yeah, that's so weird.
Okay.
I have an idea. I know I'm not doing the whole thing weird. No,
Okay. I'm gonna try not to use all the white because
Yeah,
I know that you're gonna
That's
be.
why I'm not doing the whole thing red.
Okay, got
I'm just gonna place that down.
it. Okay,
What do I need to do now?
Hey, Chloe, just do it. It's okay.
I love how you say it's okay, Chloe. Okay, you gotta make it look so true.
Yeah. I'm gonna use it for the head,
Yeah, that's what you're supposed to use.
the snowman. Yeah.
Okay, go.
Okay, so I'm gonna use this big marshmallow on top, so then it'll be a bit of like a snowman. It's okay.
I need to make.
Sorry.
Oh,
I'll use only one, so then all of you guys can use it.
No,
I'm
I
gonna
don't
just
need
put it
one.
in half, and I'm
my
gonna make
gosh,
the
you're
little
more-
arms.
Your thing.
Look at that. That's so cute. Okay, gonna put it sort of in the bread, so then it won't fall out easily.
did you say you're gonna put it in the bread?
The cupcake, I mean. I'm gonna use.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I'm just like.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Oh my god, Jemima! I'm gonna put
Some in the.
Look at that little like button.
That's cute.
Thank you. Is there orange? I still know there isn't.
No, there isn't.
Oh, okay.
You can just use the.
Oh, they used an orange M&M and then they put a brown dot in the middle.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay.
See, I'm so smart. I'm too good for this stuff.
I'm gonna get a little bit of the icing so then it'll stick onto like here. I'm gonna
I
stick
finished
it
my
onto the
cupcake.
marshmallow. Look at that.
Little
That's
Santa's
so
hat.
cute.
I finished.
It's like there's like a little poop on it on the head.
Still need its eyes.
Oh, you okay, I'm gonna add some brown onto it. So
Red eyes. Make red eyes. I'm finished mine.
Yeah.
like that. That's so cute. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna add a tiny bit of sprinkles as well onto like this on the frosting. Oh my god, it's spilling everywhere.
Like a mini Santa's hat.
It does. It's cute, and a little like pink marshmallow. It's
You
so
know that?
cute.
See that like this ball thing you have
Okay,
on the
this
hat?
isn't enough.
I
I'm gonna use
the
all.
marshmallow for that. Its eyes are scary.
You should
Yeah.
use the white marshmallow.
I know. I should have, but I used pink to color it, change it up and make it colorful. They did use white, but I used pink so I can see the color.
Okay, so now we are done making our cupcakes, and now we're gonna do our cookies. But before doing our cookies, we're gonna give you a little close-up of what our cupcake looks like a 360. So here's my snowman with a poop on its head. I use the Skittles as for the nose and the buttons. I mean M&Ms. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Very, very cute. And then I use the pretzel sticks for the heads.
I made Santa's hat and I used like this sprinkles as like a decoration, and then I used the pink marshmallow as the round fluff ball on Santa's hat.
Good job.
And the marshmallows are like kind of the gift, and the little M&M on the top is the star. So I'm gonna make the star.
Okay.
I'm gonna be making a candy.
Let's see what.
Usually a tree maybe.
Yeah, I'm gonna do this tree.
Okay.
I don't know what to do.
Oh, I know what to do. I know what to
I don't
do.
care this green. Wait.
I'm gonna get.
Yeah, can I just put the white in this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even though there's green, can I still
Go
do
ahead.
that?
Yeah. Okay. Oh my god, it's like most of the green's gone because Jemima used it for her Christmas tree.
Oh wow.
Okay.
If my candy cane gets green on it, that's okay. It'll be red.
It's okay. Okay, I'm going to spread it. Okay, so
This is my white
here is my cookie. It's very messy, but it's my creation.
It's your creation.
Okay, I'm gonna put it beside my snowman.
Here is my candy cane.
And this is my star.
So here's a close-up of all of our designs. These two are mine.
These two are mine.
These two are mine. Now we're gonna taste it.
And
What
rate
should
them.
What should
So
we do first? The cookies?
maybe the cookie.
Because they're not that
Christmas tree. Okay,
I'm gonna bite the top
3, 2, 1. It's actually so good. It's actually really good. I rate this a 10 out of 10.
This is a can of cane.
I actually really like these cookies.
Wait, this isn't a candy cane, it's just a stick now.
Okay. Do you want to taste the cupcakes now? I'm gonna eat my snowman.
No!
My poor snowman. I had to like take off the wrapper, so
Die in peace.
yeah. Sorry. Sorry, snowman. Yeah, I had to die today. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's actually really good. I also rate this a 10 out of 10. It's actually really yummy.
It's so nice.
I like the vanilla.
It's not too sweet.
icing.
And it's like
It's not too sweet and it's not too like
plain.
tasteless. Yeah.
I like the vanilla bread thing, whatever, cupcake thing.
I like the chocolate cake.
Yeah.
My mouth is probably so colorful now.
No.
So that's it for today. Thank you for watching us open and make these cookies and cupcakes. Special thanks to our guest, Chloe, for being here and helping us make these. And also another special thank you to Ninong Ogi and Ninang Lala for giving us these do-it-yourself cookies and cupcakes. If you guys want to order these cookies and cupcakes, their Facebook page is down below. But they're not just doing cupcakes and cookies. They're also doing like cakes and more pastries. And don't forget to subscribe.
And turn on the post notification bell.
Like and comment.
Have a great day. Bye!